And Johnny is also a Japanese. Yeah. Okay. Alright, now let's have some Japanese eggs. Everyone's good with the eggs? Eggs are fine for one egg now? Eggs are fine? Good with eggs? Sure? 4 eggs for the fried rice. Oh, fried rice. Do you want your eggs? Eggs. Eggs are fine, right? Yeah. So here we go. Japanese eggs. That's how my Japanese eggs. And here we go, rolling. Now eggs in the grill goes round and round, round and round, round and round. This is the egg roll, okay? And here we go. 1, 2, and just kidding. Yeah, here goes the Japanese people. Let's do it lower, lower, lower. Yeah, gonna get that apple bottom GG higher. Oh, Japanese mistake. One more time. Yep, and this one. Yeah, it's a girl. One more time. Rolling, rolling, rolling on my wheel. Yeah, reverse. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit lonely when you never turn around. Keep on. Alright. Now, round 3. This one is a bit harder. Okay? It's time for Sir Fernando. Are you ready, sir? Go for it. Yeah, it's very simple. You just have to open your mouth. Okay, 1. I'm just kidding. I can sing. How about this song? This ain't song for the broken hearted. It's my life. It's now or never. I am gonna eat forever. I just wanna eat my rice tonight. Yeah. It's my rice. It's my rice by Bon Jovi. Alright? Now number 4 mixing. And now we sing one more classic song. Yeah, I forgot to warn you. This is actually. Oh, you don't know the purple song? What's the purple song? I love you. I love me. We're a happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Barney! Okay, now let me sleep my group. Here goes next 2. Here goes next 3. Small. Looks like we made it. Yeah. Oh, I got an idea. Let's use this one. Yeah. Another one. Yeah. All I do is win, no matter what. Next 3. And next 4. Okay.
Survivor, how they had line them up.
Alright, oil.
That's how you get it.
Rum. Oh.